Ever crack your knuckles and feel like a boss? But what's actually going pop in there? It's not bones rubbing together, and your joints aren't breaking. When you pull or bend your fingers, you create space in the joint, causing the pressure to drop. And bam, gas bubbles in the joint fluid collapse, creating that satisfying crack. It's pure physics. And here's a fun fact. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That's just a myth. So next time someone tells you to stop, just say you are relieving joint pressure like a scientist.